So I was gonna pot. I had this big one and this glass water popping. So that big one and then this little one here. And I'm just gonna use this, what is this, a 4-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, I don't know inch. I think it's a bit too small. What is that? Like 2 feet? It's like half my height, that root. We're gonna do it anyways. I'm falling apart right in front of you, can't you see? Leave it alone. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna try. It's not, You make a mess of me. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna work. So I need to bend that one because there's roots there, so I need to bend. What is happening? What is happening? And I have these 2 smaller ones. Maybe I should put those in there. I don't want to do that. I'm struggling. Okay. Get in there. Twist. Twist and shout. And now you go in. Oh, Lord. This pot's going to be all roots. Should I just wait? I'm impatient, though. I don't like waiting. Now you 2 little babies. You guys are just as frustrating. Okay. This is all the dirt I have. I know. It's okay. I'm gonna need more dirt. I don't have any. That. What? This thing? It's okay. I'm just using it. Get in there. It does go there. Good job. I need to get more dirt because this is questionable. I'll get you one. But look at her. It's a pot of roots. So there it is. Okay. So now I have this jar free. So I change the water. And then I have a box of cuttings that are not rooted yet. So I'm gonna put some of them in here. Abby, no ma'am. Abby Grace. You're gonna get hurt. So I don't know which ones I wanna put in. I want this one, but that's too small, yeah? The plant is too small for this big one, so I'm gonna try. That needs more water. That might work. And this one I have Philodendron Brazil, Monstera, and now I think that's an Enjoy. I'm not sure. Your space. Oh look, this one is rooting a little bit. Not that, but its little air roots are getting bigger. I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. I don't know, I like love-hate with prop boxes. Stars, they burn, some even fall to the earth. We gotta love. I'm gonna take some of the, oh, but they have variegation. I don't know why, I just love these neons that have variegation. I don't know if that's considered variegation or what is it called? Regation? I don't know. Relapse? What is it called when it goes back? I'm blanking, I don't know. So I don't want to take those off. I'll take these 2 off. Because they don't have any. And maybe it'll be deep enough. Yeah. Okay. And who I am, I'm gonna take these off because this one's weird. I won't give up on us. I'm gonna shove that whole thing in. I'm gonna break something. Get rough. Okay. This one's very pretty. I'm not gonna put that one in. I think I might just do the pothos because they're long. What is the top? What is the bottom? Who knows? That's the top. This is the bottom. They're just growing all willy wonky. Okay, you're an ugly leaf. Goodbye. You're a cute leaf. Is it enough? I think so. I'm gonna shove this baby in here. I have one enjoy. Is it an enjoy? I'm enjoying it. So throw that in. You're struggling, so I'm gonna cut you off. They've only been in here for like a week or less. I don't know, I'm not good with time. And then in this one I also have a Hoya. Oh, it looks like it has a teeny tiny little Rudy Poo, this white thing right there. I don't know what Hoya it is. Pink Princess, Pink Queen. Something from one of my dying plants, I don't know. And then I also have just a bunch of chunks. Like the way you numbed all the pain, all the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. The rest of these are just like chunks, and like a Hoya, and a Brazil that isn't long enough to put in there. And then this one is, do I have another one of these? I think I do. This one's too full. So, look at this little tiny. Can you see it? No. Little leaf bud. Okay, I'm gonna see if I have another one of those little ones, because these Brazils could go in there. Maybe, I don't know. His Yodo has a crack in the screen.
Oh, I wonder why.
I'm gonna move these over. I don't know which side it goes in. This is somewhere starts to get in. Hi, Schwibs. This one. When you let it go. And this one. You can't even see. Kusi, can you bring those back? Can you bring those back? Okay. Oh, this one already has. Oh, no, it doesn't. Here. No, the cans, love. Everything you touch. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love when you let it go. Okay. I hope I didn't get your boxers. I'll just block it out.
Here.
Put it over there, love. Oh, my pink, what is it called? Pink Princess Philodendron? I don't know if it'll grow. I hope it does. And then, so that's that prop box. And then this one is just chunks. And then I'm going to put this other Hoya. I still don't know what Hoya it is, but... Queen? I think it's the Queen. Crimson Queen, that's what they're called. Maybe. And then I have... These are Brazil chunks, and these are... something. I don't know. So I'm going to cover this Crimson Queen up with moss, and then I might have space to put my other. No, I have 2 other Hoyas in here. I don't have space for those, I don't think. So, are you going in there? Okay. No, I'm about done. So hopefully those will grow. I took them outside the other day and they got a little hot, a little too hot. So some of the leaves are destroyed. So those are my 2 out of 3, 4, 5 prop boxes. And then I moved all of my neons here and my Enjoy, Pearls and Jade, Pearls and Joy. I don't know what it's called. Marble? I don't know. And then this one has the same confusing one. Pearls and Joy Jade. I don't know. And then a Brazil, and then a Monstera Adansonii. And then these are all Brazil. So I'm gonna put these all in a window. And then these go on my plant shelf. So hopefully they'll grow well. I should have propped all of these. Can you see that? I should have just, all of them. Stresses me out though, I don't want to do that. Let me show you my other prop box. I died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. It's looking a little rough because I had it outside and it got too hot. And so now what do? All of my leaves are brown. Do I leave it? I don't know. I'm really sad about it. I hope they live. I don't know what that means. Oh, those are fucked. That's moldy. So, snap. No, you need to go to the dining table and do it. Okay. So, that was a casualty. You live, you learn, right? Don't put prop boxes outside. Don't know why I did that. That was dumb. Especially with these plants. I'm so angry at myself because I have a Hoya rope in here and it's crispy, but it's rooted. I don't know what to do. Oh, you're a goner as well. Chop. It just looks worse and worse. The more I look at it, it just looks awful. This whole thing is rooted. Everything in here is rooted. Yeah, you can see all the roots. You can't. I lie. Can you? I can. They're right there. Everything is rooted. I should have just... Why did you break your... Oh, I see why you broke. I should have just potted everything up when... I'm lazy though. But everything is attached to the moss. Oh my. Where did you come from? Hello? That's a long one. But yeah. Hopefully my rope makes it. There's squidgy bits on it. Okay, I might just leave. Oh, you're dead. I might leave the top off and maybe that. You're dead as well. Maybe that'll help. Every day waiting for you. Maybe that'll help it get less. I don't know. Because I think the issue is some of it is too moist to do. I mean, they're still kind of pretty. Well, the tips are squishy. I think it's because it was like basically raining inside of the box. Are you dead? I don't know. I don't want to cut it if it's not. Oh no! Yute! Did it get stuck on you? Oh, did you hurt your fingers? So these are rotted. Got those off. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the lid off of this and just put it somewhere. What's that? Oh, you want that? Put it somewhere she can't reach it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down. So, hashtag pray for me. Let me shove these roots in because they are rooted. Talking loud. Okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's not, but it's fine. These have been in here for like 3 years.